The role of promoters in a company and their promoters' legal position, responsibilities, and evolution of the concept of promoter. Welcome to RR Legal Talks. In today's video, we will deep dive into the world of promoters in a company. Who they are, what is the promoter legal position, what are the responsibilities of the promoters, and how their role evolves as a company grows. If you are an entrepreneur, investor, or legal professional, this video is a must watch. Let's get started. Who is promoter? A promoter is the visionary behind the company's formation. They are responsible for taking an idea and turning into a legally recognized business entity. But how does the law defines a promoter? Section 2, subsection 69 of Companies Act 2013 defines a promoter as someone who is named as a promoter in the company's prospectus or annual return, has control over the affairs of the company directly or indirectly, and advises or directs the board of directors, except when acting in a professional capacity. Because professionals also advise to the board, but they are not considered as the promoters. So a promoter means under Companies Act, promoter named as a promoter in the company's prospectus. When company issues prospectus, they mentions who is the promoter. Every year annual return, their company has to specify who is the promoter. And also, as per section 2, subsection 69, promoter has control over the affairs of the company, either directly or indirectly. And what is the role of the promoter? The role of the promoter is a critical in the initial stage of the company's lifestyle, because their duties includes idea and conceptualization of the business. In the initial stage, preparing constitutional documents like memorandum and articles of association, and securing necessary licenses and statutory approvals, and arranging capital through public issues, IPOs, private placements, or loans, and promoters ensuring compliance with the regulations set by Securities Exchange Board of India and Register of Companies, and entering into pre-incorporation contracts for smooth operations. So, however, the promoters' responsibilities do not remain constant. So let's look how they evolve over time. See, evolution of promoters' role as the company matures. Promoters transition from active management to strategic oversight. I will explain how. In the early stage, promoters are hands-on making crucial business decisions and setting up the foundation. Closely held. During the growth stage, over a period of time, they may take a leadership role and begin delegating responsibilities to professional management. So they delegate the responsibility to professional management team. And third stage, that is a maturity stage, promoters may choose to exit and cashing out their equity via mergers, acquisitions, and public offering. So the legal position and liabilities. Promoter is neither an agent nor a trustee of the company, but holds fiduciary duty. This means the promoters act in good faith and avoid conflict of interest. Any secret profits must be disclosed, otherwise they can be held legally liable. So the promoters may be responsible for pre-incorporation contracts unless ratified by the company post-incorporation. So promoters are subject to civil and criminal liability under Section 34, Section 35 of Companies Act. If the prospectus contains false statements. And SEBI's regulation on promoters, the concept of promoters and promoter group is evolving. According to SEBI's ICDR regulation 2018, promoter is someone who controls the company directly or indirectly. Banks and financial institutions and venture capital holding more than 20% stake are not automatically considered as a promoter because their role is different. The new recommendation suggests shifting from promoter led to person in control model, allowing non-individual investors to hold 10% in the promoter's contribution. The future of promoters in India. Now the conclusion is India's corporate landscape is evolving from family-run promoter-led business to professionally manage the companies. So this is what evolving from family closely held to professionally manage the companies. While the promoter's role remaining significant, regulatory changes indicate a future where companies focus on strong corporate governance over promoter influence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to RR Legal Talks for more insights on business and corporate law. Hit the bell icon so you never miss any updates. Thank you.